Hello YouTubers. Now I've got a project this morning. This is a bird feeder, but what I'm going to do, I'm going to put peanut butter all around there, and then I'm going to roll it in bird seed, and I'm going to hang it up, and we're going to see the reaction through the motion trial camera. Okay, right, see you in a while. This is the peanut butter that I'm going to actually use, crunchy peanut butter. Okay, so I'm going to wrap that around that, and then I'm going to dip it in birdseed. So let's see how we get on. Right, okay, this is the finished article that I'm going to put on the tree or somewhere in the garden. Okay, I'll show you in a minute where. Right, okay, this is where it is, and now I'm going to put my trail motion detected camera right there and see how we get on. Okay, see you soon.